Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kevin Lee. So today I have the honor to invite my coach, Erik Paulson. He's going to be showing us some of the techniques to help you guys improve sparring. So stay tuned. So coach, what do you have to show us that can help people to improve their sparring? Some of the training tips, what do you have in mind?
Number one, the first tip that I would give someone to get better at sparring is timing sparring. And sparring every day.
Okay.
Every day. Don't have to go hard, but timing sparring.
What do you see for timing sparring? How hard do you have the guys go?
It depends, because depends on what level they are. Because if they're a higher level, most guys want to bang a little bit and then put some combos together. So if you see guys just throwing 1 and 2 shots, they're going too hard. So if I see guys throwing combos on each other, I know they're going at a pretty even kilt pace. But if they're going and you just see them throwing like a hard jab and a hard kick, like 2 shots, then I think that's lower level. These guys are actually trying to hurt each other.
So that's how you know when people are going way too hard, then they shouldn't be doing that.
At higher level people should be throwing 3s and 5s anyways, not 1s and 2s.
That makes sense.
Yeah, it's a big deal.
So do you have any training drills that you teach to help them to get better?
Timing drills, interception stuff, kick for kick, a lot of movement, compounds. So we start with a primary drill, and then we start compounding it with other drills, things like that will help it. So it's instant response. It's more Savat style.
Oh, nice. Are you able to show us some of the drill that you teach?
Yeah, like for instance, if you throw a jab and a right kick, I check and I go left kick and I go cross, ear slap, right kick.
Nice.
And that's the first thing. So if you go again, I go like this, I go kick, bang, cross, liver shot, leg kick, and come back out.
Nice.
And what happens when you do it again, I go here, then I go liver, leg, and then you throw a right hand again, and I slip, and I liver, and I leg.
Oh, nice.
And then I block out.
So you're adding little head movements in there.
Yeah, because after you hit this, you're going to respond. So you're going to drop and hit the liver and chop it.
Nice.
So if you jab and kick, sometimes I just step in right with 2 hands, and then you throw that right. I drop, liver shot in the leg, and then block out. Another one, when you jab and kick, I fold my leg, and I punch at the same time, and I hit the liver and leg, and then compound, bang, right leg kick, and block.
Nice.
The first one, when I check, I up kick, then I go cross, liver, leg, block, liver, leg, triple jab out. Okay, same thing. I just step right in, triple jab out, so you can't come back.
Nice.
And then the third, same time.
Nice.
And then drop, liver, kick, and triple jab out. Or that.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, so you can't come back.
So you're adding a lot of head movement, and at the same time, when you triple out, you angle out at the same time.
Yes, another thing, you jab me. Now you follow up with any 3 count series you want.
Okay.
And then you triple jab out. Okay. So you jab to get in, any 3 count combo, and triple jab out.
Nice.
That makes it super hard for me to come back at you.
Yes,
when
sir.
you attack me,
I like that.
when you jab to get in, 3 count, and triple jab out. It allows you to enter, to follow up, and then
Exit.
Exit, yes.
Exit safely.
Yes.
What about in terms of like increase on timing? Because my biggest thing with a lot of people doing timing sparring or even doing light sparring is they get freaked out. So they close their eyes, or maybe they start pushing the hands out.
So that's
Building defense.
Yes, the best defense. To keep your eyes open is a wall survival drill. So,
Nice.
and then this goes like this, and then shove away, and now shove the elbow, get to the body, block, and then turn.